Hey everyone, this is Caroline. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up YouTube TV on your Roku and your Chromecast. Now, last week I did a video about Hulu on Roku, Chromecast, and Fire TV. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, YouTube TV does not work on Fire TV, so we're going to skip over that one. But if you haven't seen my Hulu video, please do check it out. I will link to it below. And let's get started with YouTube TV. Now, I've already signed up for YouTube TV. It was really easy. I just go to tv.youtube.com and I signed up there, or you just search on YouTube TV, it comes right up. First thing I want you to know about YouTube TV. Unlike Hulu, which is one app, YouTube and YouTube TV currently, at the time of this recording, is two separate apps. First thing you're going to have to do is download the YouTube TV app on your smartphone and your tablet. So let's start with my smartphone here. I'm going to hit record. We are going to start by downloading YouTube TV. It is a separate app. Generally speaking, YouTube, the app, comes preloaded on your phone. So I'm going to hit Play Store. I'm going to search for YouTube TV, and it comes right up, YouTube TV, and I'm going to hit install, and we're going to wait for it to install. And YouTube TV is ready on my smartphone now. I'm going to hit open. I've already signed up, so I'm going to hit already a member. I'll select myself, and I'm going to verify my area, allow, and oh, there's a voice remote. All right, sure, we'll try it now. Allow. Now I am logged in to my YouTube TV app, and I can see all the shows that are already streaming, and I can kind of see what's kind of going on, what's on. If I just want to choose something, I can select it. Now I'm going to cast. I'm going to cast to Alvin. If you saw a previous video, I renamed my Chromecast Alvin. So I'm casting on Chromecast right now. And what shall I cast to my Chromecast? I'm just going to choose the first thing here that says Friends. And sure enough, Friends is now casting to my TV. Excellent. So to stop this, all I have to do is cast icon in the top right hand corner. I'm going to hit Stop Casting. And it goes right back to the home screen on the Chromecast. The Chromecast is pretty easy to cast from my smartphone to my TV. And really you can select anything. You've got home, you've got library, you see shows, and then you can just select your show. Champions, for example, that I'm going to cast to Alvin, my Chromecast, and it comes right up. Say I want to watch something else, I'll select it, and usually an ad plays before it actually starts. So let's talk about commercials for a second here. Generally speaking, you do watch a commercial before you start watching your program, and so I've just cast Champions. And there is a commercial. It does tell you how much time is remaining on these commercials. So the official word from YouTube is if you watch something right after it's been broadcast, before it's available on demand, you are able to skip the commercials or just fast forward through the commercials. If it's something that's on demand like this one, you will have to watch the commercials. So if that's really important to you, consider there are other alternatives that you consider. I will not go into that in this video because it's not available on YouTube today. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to stop casting right here. And that's a really quick tour of Chromecast right there. You can, so essentially what you see on your app, you can cast to your Chromecast. Pretty simple, huh? Now I'm going to show you a demo of using the Chromecast with the Google Home. Now, when I signed up for YouTube TV, I used the same Gmail address that is associated with my Google Home and my Chromecast and YouTube TV, so it all works together. So here's a little demo. Let's turn on live TV now. And you usually start with the channel that you want to watch. So I want to watch a local channel, CBS, so I'll say, okay, Google, play CBS 46.
Sure, playing CBS 46 from YouTube TV on Alvin.
And there it is. When I started experimenting with this, I realized that not all of the channels are available by voice command, but a lot of them are for the most part. So I'll say, okay, Google, play TBS.
Sure, playing TBS from YouTube TV on Alvin.
And there it is. I'll say, okay, Google, play ESPN.
Sure, playing ESPN from YouTube TV on Alvin.
So not all of the channels are available. So for example, I'll say, okay, Google, play Fox Sports South on YouTube TV.
I looked for Fox Sports South on YouTube TV, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
But if I go to my app, I can play it. So it's not every single channel at the time of this recording. I'm sure they're adding more and more every day. And let's say you've recorded something last night that you want to play as part of your YouTube TV. So this is in my library. I'm going to say, okay, Google, play Grey's Anatomy.
Sure, Grey's Anatomy from YouTube TV, playing on Alvin.
And here it is. Now, let's say you want to pause it. Just say, okay, Google, pause. And there it is paused. You can also change the volume. Okay, Google, play. You can also change the volume by saying, okay, Google, turn up the volume.
He slept. He sleeps.
Okay, Google,
Chair.
mute. Turn back off the volume. Okay, Google, fast forward 1 minute. Okay, Google, rewind 1.5 minutes. And there you go. Okay, Google, stop casting. And we're back to the home screen. That is how easy it is to control your Chromecast with your Google Home with YouTube TV. Now let's move on to Roku. Welcome back. We are now at the Roku section of our YouTube TV demo and setup here. I'm on the home screen on my Roku. As I said previously, the YouTube TV app is a separate app from the YouTube app that is pre-installed on your Roku. To add the YouTube TV app, I need to search for it. And there is the YouTube TV app. And I'm going to install it, go to the channel, and I need to hit I'm already a member, or you can sign up from here if you're not already a member. I signed up previous to making this video, so I'm going to hit already a member. Then I need to go activate. So I can do this from my phone, I can do this from a desktop or my iPad or my tablet. I'm going to do this from my phone here. So let's see, I'm going to start another screen record. I just opened up a web browser on my smartphone. I'm going to tv.youtube.com/activate. And I need to enter the code. And I'm going to allow. And it says return to your device to continue. It is now firing up. And this is the YouTube TV experience on Roku. It starts at the home. And I can kind of scroll through and see what's available. If you hit live, this is the channel guide like you had with your set-top box or cable provider or satellite dish provider. You can also go to your library. Your library is your favorites. I've already set that up with a few shows. What I found was really interesting about YouTube TV is that you share your location and it automatically puts all of the sports teams that are in your location on your library. So for example, Atlanta, I'm in Atlanta. We have the Atlanta Braves, the Atlanta Falcons, and the Atlanta Hawks. And all of those by default were in my library. I thought it was pretty interesting. The DVR is unlimited with YouTube TV. This is not a paid endorsement of YouTube TV. I am using the free trial so I can show you what the experience is on Chromecast and on the Roku. It's very similar. I can cast, like I showed you previously, from my smartphone directly to the Roku. I could not do that with Hulu, so there is one more casting option. That was pretty nice, casting direct from the Roku instead of having to use the remote. I can control it with my smartphone or tablet. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found this informative, and please subscribe. Bye now.